Hi, tonight I want to try Jules that was announced at Google I/O 2025 back in May. So I opened the official documentation of Jules to find out what it is. So Jules is an experimental coding agent that helps engineers fix bugs, add documentation, and build new features. I'm curious what Jules can do. Well, it's because I'm a skeptic of coding agent and vibe coding. Maybe I'm not good at prompting. When I enter prompt, I don't get what I want, or the generated codes um, are incorrect, or the coding quality is not as good as I hope for. So I want to use Jules to do an Angular task for me tonight. The task is very simple. I completed it in a Vue 3 app and also a Cell 5 app. So on this page, I have a list of coffee plants. When I click on the plant and the name starts with the plant displays two icons. The first one is a coffee icon and the second one is a coffee maker icon. When I select a plant that doesn't start with the icons are displayed on the right side of the name and vertically. So two icons display vertically. The T icon is on top of the burger icon, and the icons are in blue color. And if you observe closely, you may notice that the blue icons are slightly smaller than the black icons. It is because the dimensions of the blue icon are 42 pixel by 42 pixel. The dimensions of the black icon are 48 pixel times 48 pixel. So I want to repeat this feature in my Angular 19 application, and I want to use Jules to help me do the task. So I use my Gmail account to log in jules.google.com. So I gave my GitHub account name to Jules and grant Jules the access to my intro to Angular components repo. So in this model, the GitHub repo dropdown has only one repo to choose from, which is intro Angular components repo. In the branch dropdown, there are two items to choose from. Main is the main branch, and Jules is a feature branch that I created previously and pushed to my remote repository. For this new feature, I want to work on the Jules feature branch. So if any mistake happens, I can discard all changes on the Jules branch and start over. So let's ask Jules to work on the task. So I want the coffee plant component to display Matt Coffee outline and Matt Coffee Maker outline icons when the plant is selected, and the plant name start with the icons are displayed on the left side of the name. Similarly, the selected plant displays Matt emoji food beverage outline and Matt fast food outline icons when the names start with other words, and the icons are displayed on the right side of the planning. Yeah, give me the plan. Okay, so Jules generated a plan for me. Let me check each step. No. Okay. Mm. Let me know if you have any feedback on the plan. Otherwise, hit approve and I will get started. Yeah, I have some comments on the plan. While I was typing my prompts in my VS Code editor, Jules decided to approve the plan automatically and change the code. I panicked and hit the pause button up here to pause the task. I look at the code and I have two comments. First, my application is not using Angular material. I'm using the Angular icons library, and the icons can be found in the icon set of material icons, like outline, coffee, right? Coffee maker outline, coffee outline, If I type food, I use emoji, food, beverage outline, and fast food outline icons. So the import is incorrect. Jules should import ng icon in the import array instead of material icon module. The codes are very old school. Like, I mean, in Angular 20, ng if is deprecated. We should use the if control flow instead of ng if structure directive. I mean, the new control flow was introduced by the Angular team back in version 17. Now the latest version is 20. So I'm so surprised. Like, Jules generate like code that I normally saw back in 2020. I mean, it is 2025 now. Like, start using the modern stuff such as the if control flow. Oh, Jesus Christ. ng icon. The code, the code is a little better, except ng icon component should be ng icon, and I forgot to mention to use the provide icons to provide like the icons in the field providers array. I should tell Jules to update the code next. So I want the code to be updated because of information that I omitted previously. So ng icon component, it has to be fixed. So the icons, the icons dimensions are 48 by 48 for coffee outline and coffee maker outline icons. For emoji, food beverage outline icon, and fast food outline icon, the dimensions are 42 by 42, and the color is blue. Okay. Okay, here. ng icon, import ng icon. Let me check. Yeah, it looks good. One thing is missing. I want to have the emoji food beverage outline icon above the fast food outline icon. I need to update the CSS style of this div element. Let me think. The easiest is to add a flex layout, and the flex direction is column instead of row, so that one icon is stacked on top of the other icon. So thinking. Okay, if style. Yeah, looks good. So now I want to refactor the condition of the if statement into computed signals. I think that the if condition is easier to understand by extracting the logic into a computed signal. Yep. So the coffee plant component have two new computed signals. It show coffee, returns true when the plant is selected, and the name start with the, and it show beverage. Yeah. Returns true when the plant is selected, and the name doesn't start with the. And okay. And they are used. Yeah, and I see. Looks looks good. Yep. And looks good. Yeah, looks good to me. And publish branch. Maybe. I want to move the. First if above the above is the div with description class, and then move the second at if below the description div. I hope Jules understand my English. If not, I can publish a branch and make the code changes manually. I actually like the way Jules think, very logical. Yes. Yeah, this is what I want. Okay. For this div, I want to make it a flex layout. But the flex direction is row, the default value. So let's see. So let's see. Create any nice coffee CSS class in the styles property of the component decorator. So coffee class has a flex layout. Align item is centered, so the icons are centered vertically. So the icons are not at the start and not at the bottom of the plant. So in the styles array, this multi-line string should have an additional coffee class. And on line 11, the div element has a coffee class applied to it. Okay. Append. Yep, it is correct. Append the new coffee CSS class definition to the existing styles array. Add class equals coffee to the my god, so fast, man. Now let me check the code. Let me verify the update. Class coffee. Okay. Yeah, looks correct. Yep. The new inline class is here. Coffee is applied to the div element in the body of if it show coffee. Okay. Yeah, looks good to me. Everything is correct. So publish branch. View branch. Compare and pull request. The Jules. This commit introduced to the style property of the component decorator. Apply class equals coffee to the div that encloses the Met Coffee outline and Met Coffee maker outline icons. Ensure the computed input from Angular code is correct. Okay. Okay. Create pull request. Yeah. Can I merge the pull request? So can I merge the pull request? Okay. Confirm merge. And I want to check out the branch and run the code. Okay, let's check out this. Okay. Note 22, NG sir. Okay, 42,000. Localhost 4,200, not 1,000. Oh, it doesn't work. Why is that? Oh, damn. Sorry, I forgot to pull the code. Oh, the icon's so small. Why is that? Width, height, color, right? Interesting. I don't know why. Close, but no. Yeah. Why is that? Maybe the icons don't. Maybe the ng icon doesn't accept width and height attribute. Okay. Color green, and then here. Oh, damn. Right? The icons on the right side of the name are slightly smaller. Try again. Okay, now it works. Okay. Not very clean. Okay. Try again. Maybe I can have another color. Yeah, brown. Why not? Yeah, it's working. Okay, I tried the Jules Code Agent. It generated the code for me. After a few prompts, it helped me push the branch to my remote repository, made a pull request with a very well-written summary. Then I reviewed the changes, approved the PR, and finally merged it to my Jules branch. And yeah, the app is running and it shows the icon when a coffee plant is selected. So this is it. This is what the end of my demo. And if you're interested in using Jules, sign up, add all the repositories or set a repository to your account, choose the branch to work on, and start prompting. Yep, nice. So this is it. I'm going to stop the recording. So I hope you have a lovely Saturday and happy vibe coding on your beautiful weekend. So bye.